My name is Zhiqi Mao. I just go by Jim. I am a fourth-year PhD student in mechanics and materials field. I am originally from Shanghai, China. My journey actually for mechanical engineering started all the way back to my high school, where I was actually a founder team of the first robotics team. We actually won over to the world championship game as a first-year rookie team, and then I just started building my whole mechanical engineering interest in basically. So I moved to an undergrad mechanical engineering school not far away from here. I was kind of involved in there a lot. And then decided, now I was looking on the job market. I was like, all right, whatever I learned is it's not good enough for me, basically. So that's why I decided, hey, I want to go to grad school. And that's how I actually ended up in UTD as UTD's mechanical engineering program is an expanding program. It's very good. We have really good professors here. How I get involved with Mega is actually pretty interesting. One of the students in my lab is actually the vice president for Mega. And then we were discussing about how we can basically make more students having fun and how we should improve the department. And then he asked me, said, hey, are you interested in being a Mega member? I was like, sure. Or being a Mega officer? I was saying, sure. Then he introduced me to the Mega. And then I think this when we running for the re-election for Mega, it just happens that no one wants to be the president. So that's kind of how interesting I just become the president. But yeah, to address questions from students, basically, what we do is if a student approaches a Mega officer, saying, hey, I have a question. I want to maybe see something that I wanted to get changed. Then Mega will actually initiate an interest group, which we might have 5-6 students who have the same questions. We'll gather them together. We'll have them to do a little bit of background research. And then we under a Mega elected officer, so basically a Mega elected officer will be in charge of everything. Then they will form us a report. And then we will pass this report to our advisor, which is the associate thing for the grad school, or for the grad part of the mechanical engineering department. For Mega to develop grad students in their academic and professional development, Mega offers a series of workshops. Those workshops are usually chosen by the students. So at the end of the semester, we will send a survey to the students, say, hey, what are you interested to see? And then we will organize it. So for example, in the fall semester, Mega did the time management workshop and the stress management workshop. And then for the spring, so far, we have done a QE workshop, which is for qualifying exam for PhD students. And we've also done how to write a journal workshop. As most graduate students, publications and journal writings is a very important part. Also, beyond just academic and professional development, we've also invited people from outside of the school. We had the couple speakers from national labs and the industries to give us a panel discussion that help the grad students to pick their future career goals. For upcoming events, Mega have a general body meeting at the last Friday of every month. We will be discussing any problem that students want to ask us and just basically give updates on those problems that students propose to us. We will actually have a couple events coming up. We have a how to social networking. So basically how to talk to professional people if you're going to a conference. Since like that, actually I don't have the exact date yet. It's in March. I know that. And then we also have a dartboard competition coming up on March 28th. So for all the events that Mega is doing, we actually offer an AMC yellow movie ticket. Basically, it's just a draw for a lucky winner to win a free movie ticket. And talking about movies, this is kind of half Mega, half on students' own pace. But as the Dune 2 Part 2 is coming out, we're planning to actually organize a watch party at the movie theater. So students do have to pay for their own tickets, but we can arrange transportations and things like that on March 5th, which is a Tuesday, because it's $5 movie tickets.